Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to chain asynchronous functions in JavaScript. This technique allows us to execute functions with asynchronous events, one after the other, in a clean and structured way. Let's dive in. The problem involves managing a sequence of asynchronous functions. For example, if function 1 logs a message, waits for a second, and then moves to function 2, we need a clean way to ensure this order is maintained. This code defines the chain async function, which takes an array of asynchronous functions. Each function receives a next callback to indicate completion. When invoked, the next function moves to the subsequent function, ensuring a sequential flow. The chain async function operates by initializing a counter and defining the next function, which ensures each function in the array is executed sequentially. As each function completes, it calls next to proceed to the next step. In this example, step 1 logs step 1, waits for a second, and then calls next. Step 2 logs step 2 immediately. This demonstrates the sequential execution of asynchronous functions in a controlled manner. The ES6 version simplifies the chain async function using arrow functions. This modern syntax makes the code more concise and readable while retaining the same functionality as the ES5 version. This technique is useful in event-driven programming, task automation, and middleware execution. By chaining functions, we maintain control over the order and timing of operations, which is essential for many real-world applications. To conclude, the chain async function provides an elegant way to handle sequential asynchronous tasks. Its simple yet powerful design makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Thank you for following this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.